Weight loss and the busy lifestyle. It's a conundrum, and it's crucial to understand that finding the equilibrium between weight loss and a busy life isn't a walk in the park. It's this balance that many individuals struggle with on a daily basis, trying to fit healthy choices into a hectic schedule that already feels overwhelming. So let's consider the concept of weight loss first. Weight loss isn't just about shedding those extra pounds, but it's also about maintaining good health and having an active life. When we speak of weight loss, we're not talking about crash diets or quick fixes. Instead, we're focusing on a long-term, sustainable approach, which combines healthy eating, regular physical activity, and mental well-being. In the fast-paced world of today, our schedules are often packed to the brim with work, family commitments, social events, and other responsibilities. This leaves little to no time for personal care, including diet and exercise. People often grab for the easy meal option, which unfortunately tends to be unhealthy fast food. Exercise is often neglected due to time constraints, leading to a sedentary lifestyle which is detrimental to both physical and mental health. The coupling of these two, weight loss and a busy lifestyle, is where the real challenge lies. It might seem like an unsolvable equation, like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole, but it's not an impossible task. With the proper mindset, determination, and a good plan, it can be achieved. Luck and motivation have little to do with it. It's about making small but significant changes to our daily routine. It's about understanding our body's needs, setting realistic goals, and gradually working towards them. We need to redefine our concept of busy and learn to prioritize our health. In essence, it's all about balance. It's about finding that sweet spot where healthy eating and regular exercise becomes a part of our daily routine, not an added burden. It might take time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. However, there are practical strategies that can help navigate this challenging path. The key to success lies in making nutrition a priority. Living in a fast-paced world, we often allow ourselves to be caught up in the whirlwind of work, social activities, and personal responsibilities. These never-ending activities make it easy, almost second nature, to neglect the importance of proper nourishment, into the enticing trap of fast food, seduced by its convenience and instant gratification. These quick-fix meals, though seemingly harmless, are laden with unhealthy fats, highly processed carbohydrates, and a shocking amount of sodium. We may even find ourselves resorting to skipping meals, convincing ourselves that we don't have the time to sit and eat. This act might appear to save us some time in the short run, but its long-term effects can jeopardize our health. By skipping meals, we are forcing our bodies into a state of starvation, leading to a slowdown in our metabolic rate and consequently, a potential weight gain. These habits appear to be minor, but can throw us off course from our weight loss journey. So how do we sail smoothly on the voyage of health and fitness? The answer is simpler than you think. It's called meal prepping. This might seem daunting, but it's as easy as setting aside a couple hours on the weekend to plan and prepare your meals, or even parts of meals for the upcoming week. Imagine having elements of meals, or even whole meals, ready at your fingertips and never having to worry about falling off your diet plan. Personally, I like making 2 or 3 big pots of soup on the weekend and cook up a few grains, like noodles and rice. So whenever I'm ready for a meal, or even a quick bite, it's ready for me. Meal prepping saves me from the guilt of unhealthy eating, but it also saves time during the weekdays, leaving us with more freedom to pursue our interests, or simply relax and rejuvenate. It also allows us to take control of our food intake, ensuring that we consume the right amounts of proteins, carbohydrates, and good fats. This practice can transform our life, making it healthier and more organized. When it comes to workouts, efficiency is the name of the game. In our contemporary society, time is of the essence, and there's no luxury to squander it on overlong, ineffective exercises. The gym could beckon for hours without substantial results. As such, the key lies not in the quantity, but rather the quality of workouts. Think about this. Have you ever seen someone who spends a bulk of their time at the gym, but still struggles with their fitness goals? The answer most likely is because they are probably focusing on quantity over quality, and that's what we aim to change. The trend nowadays is moving towards high-intensity workouts, a potent blend of power, effort, and drive condensed into shorter exercise periods. These workouts are designed to push us to our limits, breaking the barriers of comfort zones and prompting our bodies to adapt and grow stronger. From resistance training to high-intensity interval training, these workouts are structured to yield maximum results in a fraction of the time. This isn't to say that longer workouts don't have their place, but a focus on high-intensity training will ensure we get the most out of every minute we invest in our fitness. And the beauty of it is that we don't need to reserve a specific time or place for it. It could be a quick run first thing in the morning, a quick 10-minute high-intensity session during our lunch break, or a cycling spree after work. The important thing to note is that every little bit counts. Every step, jump, or push-up we do contributes to our overall fitness journey. Fitness is a gradual process, a sum of all the small efforts we make every day. So, whenever an opportunity presents itself, grab it. Whether it's a 5-minute break from work or a 2-minute wait for the bus, make sure to squeeze in a workout whenever possible. Even the smallest effort could have a significant impact on our long-term fitness progress. After all, when it comes to fitness, the little jumps, stretches, and push-up count, so make sure to squeeze in a workout whenever possible. Remember, it's not about the destination, but the journey. Let me share a couple of funny moments. I once tried to show off at the gym, lifting weights far too heavy for me. The result? I found myself sprawled on the floor, weights rolling away and into the next person's workout area. It was embarrassing, yes, but also a powerful lesson. On another occasion, I decided to try an advanced yoga pose I'd seen on Instagram. I thought, how hard could it be? Well, let me tell you, very hard. The pose was called the crow, and it required a lot of balance. I ended up toppling sideways and knocking over a pile of yoga mats and training equipment in the process. The entire class, including the instructor, burst out laughing. So there I was, the center of attention for all the wrong reasons. These fumbles make our fitness journey all the more memorable. It's okay to stumble. We all do. Our fitness blunders are part of the process. So if you trip on the treadmill, drop a dumbbell, or even knock over some yoga mats like I did, just laugh it off and keep going. After all, every stumble is an artistic step. With strategic planning, it's possible to carve out time for health goals amidst a busy schedule. This becomes even more relevant in our world where work and other commitments constantly vie for our attention. It is easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, neglecting the very thing that fuels our ability to keep up with this pace: our health. Every person, regardless of how busy their schedule is, needs to understand the significance of health and wellness. This understanding starts with acknowledging that health isn't merely the absence of disease but is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Our complete health hinges on maintaining a balanced lifestyle, which includes taking time for physical activities, proper diet and rest, and of course relaxation. In order to achieve these, planning becomes an essential tool. Just as we plan for our meetings, deadlines, and professional goals, we also need to plan for our health. This entails looking at our schedules and deliberately carving out time for workouts, meal preps, and periods of rest. The key is to make these activities a priority instead of an afterthought. Treat workouts as non-negotiable appointments, just like an important business meeting or a catch-up with a cherished friend. This kind of commitment not only helps us stay consistent, but also transforms our perception of health and fitness from being a chore to becoming an integral part of our lives. Let's focus on the relaxation part for a moment. Incorporating me time into our schedules is equally important. This could be anything from a quiet evening reading a book, taking a long bath, meditating, or even just watching the sunset. It's during these moments of solitude and relaxation that we rejuvenate ourselves, recharge our batteries, and prepare ourselves for the rigors of the coming days. This is just as important as exercise time, work and business time, and nutrition time. Life is unpredictable, and there will always be days when things don't go as planned. There will be moments when the world seems to conspire against our plans, where blunders become the order of the day, and where obstacles seem to multiply at every step. On these days, everything seems to go wrong, and you might be tempted to throw in the towel, to surrender to the chaos and let it overwhelm you. But remember, dear friend, that these are merely temporary conditions. They are storms that will soon pass, leaving you stronger and wiser. Instead of dwelling on those setbacks and temporary disruptions, I would like to encourage you to channel your energy towards something far more productive: the concept of progress over perfection. It is a powerful mantra that can change our perspective and consequently our lives. It suggests forgiving ourselves for not being perfect, for not meeting every expectation, and instead focusing on small, steady steps of progress. Every single step, no matter how minuscule it may seem, is a victory in itself. Each step is a testament to our resilience, to our unwavering determination. They are proof that we have not been conquered, that we are alive and fighting, These small steps, these tiny victories, they all add up. They build momentum. Before we know it, they carry us towards our goals. So I implore you to be gentle with yourself. Don't berate yourself for what you have yet to achieve. Rather, celebrate what you have. Take pride in every small progress you make. Cherish each step, no matter how small. And most importantly, keep moving forward. Finding the perfect equilibrium of weight loss with a busy lifestyle may seem like a formidable challenge, an uphill battle that many of us face, but it's undeniably achievable with the right strategies and a conscious mindset. This may be a daunting task, but the beauty of it is that each small victory becomes a stepping stone towards the larger goal of healthy living. It's crucial to prioritize nutrition. This doesn't mean merely following a strict diet plan, but understanding what our bodies need and responding appropriately. Good nutrition is about feeling great, having more energy, and improving our health. It stabilizes our mood, reduces our risk of chronic diseases, and keeps the weight off. This might involve making small but impactful changes to our diet, having regular balanced meals, and incorporating a variety of macro and micronutrients to ensure all-round health. Next, maximizing the workout efficiency should be at the forefront as well. But don't mistake this for spending endless hours in the gym. It's about effectiveness, not duration. Incorporate high-intensity interval training, strength training, cardio exercises, or a dance routine. Each of these activities can help burn calories, improve cardiovascular health, and boost our mood. The goal is to keep our exercise routine varied and exciting. Also, mastering time management is key. A busy schedule shouldn't be an excuse to neglect our health. There are always pockets of time that can be used more effectively. It's waking up earlier to fit in a morning workout, preparing meals, or parts of meals for the week, or turning TV time into a quick yoga session. Every moment counts. Lastly, it's important to remain flexible and adaptable. Expect the unexpected and be ready to shift your strategy when necessary. If a food group doesn't suit you, try alternatives. If an exercise leaves you feeling drained rather than energized, switch it up. Understanding that the path to fitness is not a straight line, but a journey with its ups and downs that will keep you motivated. In the end, remember that the journey, with all its challenges and triumphs, is just as important as the destination. So here's to making progress, one step at a time. In this journey, every step counts. Every stride we make, every bead of sweat we shed, every healthy choice we make, it all adds up. It's about celebrating progress, no matter how small. It's about acknowledging that each of these steps is a step forward, a step closer to the goal. There will be days when the progress seems slow, when the goal seems far. But remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. And as long as we keep moving, keep pushing, keep striving, we're one step closer than we were yesterday. So keep walking, keep moving, keep striving, because every step taken, every stride made, is a celebration of our progress. Stay with it. You are stronger than you think.